Subscribe to my channel for weekly workout sessions and also press on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Let's do some mobility drill. Why is it so important? Because it gives you the freedom of movement. You can do this as your warm-up routine. This will increase your range of motion and posture, which will reduce the chances of injuries when you work out or perform yoga. Let's do Cossack squat. Take a wide stance. Now descend with most of your weight on one leg while the other leg is kept out straight and to the side. The other foot will have the heel on the ground but the rest of the foot up in the air. This targets your hip, knee, ankle joints and connective tissues. To make it easier, you can take a support of the ground, put your weight forward and get up. Now we will target ankle joints. Move the ankle in circular motion clockwise and simultaneously raise your leg up to the chest. Then come down, moving the ankle anti-clockwise. You need to perform this with control and concentration. Now get down on all four. Put your hand behind your neck. Now touch the opposite knee with your elbow and get up to the sky. So you have to go to the knee and up to the sky. Set your joints free by doing this. Now similarly, let's go knee to the sky on the other side. Let's do our favorite pose, child's pose. Add twist to this by walking with your hands side to side. Keep your posture intact. Just walk to the right as much as you can with your hands and come back to the center. Then similarly, reach to the left side. Wrist mobility exercises are great help for our day-to-day activities. Here we will focus on wrist as well as shoulder mobility. Move your wrists clockwise and simultaneously take your hands up from the shoulders. Come back to the center by moving wrists anti-clockwise. Subscribe to my channel for weekly workout sessions and also press on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos.